Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we are looking at the 2022 Ford Bronco Black Diamond. Coming in this nice white coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 2.3 liter engine and has all four-wheel drive capabilities. Taking a look at the back here, we do have rear view sensing, that nice tow hook, a handle to get into your trunk. You do get a full-size spare tire with your backup camera right there, the nice Bronco logo there. And moving to the sides, we do have nice black fenders, as well as on the front. We do have two tow hooks on the front as well, a license plate bracket, and that nice Bronco grille. This vehicle does come with a remote start, so no need to go outside in the winter to heat up your vehicle. Taking a look at the back here, we can see that we do have plenty of space with the nice Bronco logo there. But if you need more, you can always collapse that row there. We have a 12-volt outlet, some LEDs, some space there, as well as space there, some hooks around the back, and lifting this up, you do have storage underneath with the jack as well. And taking a look into the interior now, we can see this vehicle comfortably seats up to 5 pretty nicely. We do have this nice blue and black vinyl seating, as well as you do have your window openers there, a USB and a USB-C, and a 110-volt outlet there. We do have cargo nets on each side of the door, and this vehicle is a soft top, which is pretty nice. And now taking a look at the driver's side, we can see the seats are manual. The same blue vinyl and black vinyl with the nice Bronco logo. We have that cargo net again, your parking brakes there, lights, and you do have a nice grab handle right there. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer sitting at 17,228 kilometers. Looking at the steering wheel, we have a nice leather-wrapped steering wheel, and we have our phone, volume, channel, toggle for your screen, as well as your cruise control and volume on this side. Looking at your main screen here, we do have My View, which you can set up however you please. Tire pressure, FM, configure My View, comm screen, and so on and so forth. We also have trip and fuel, off-road status, navigation, phone, audio, and other settings. Now looking over here, you have your four-wheel drive capabilities, your trail control, as well as your GOAT modes right here. With your GOAT modes, you do get normal, eco, sport, slippery, mud and ruts, sand, and rock crawl. Now looking over here, you do have your gear shift right there where you can adjust your speeds. We do get another grab handle right there, two cup holders, you can control your windows here and your mirrors there, and we do have a nice vinyl center console here, which opens up, providing you with a lot of space, with us being able to move side to side or take it out, providing you with a 12-volt outlet right there. Taking a look here, we do have our dual climate, heated front seats, your volume and media control, auto stop and auto start. And looking up here, you do have your front axle, rear axle, your trailer turn assist, traction control, and hazards right there. Now looking at your main screen, which you can set up however you like, we do have your navigation, what station you're currently on and what phone's connected. Looking at audio, it looks like this, with Sirius XM capabilities. You do have your phone, navigation, any apps you have downloaded, such as Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, settings, such as navigation, sound. You do get a Wi-Fi hotspot, which is pretty nice, owner's manual, and so on and so forth. And of course, you do get storage under the dash as well. The stock number for this vehicle is EE01848A, and if interested, head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.